Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to search for jobs on Glassdoor. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to glassdoor.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log in with your credentials to access your account. This will give you full access to all the job search features and personalized recommendations that Glassdoor offers. After you're logged in, direct your attention to the top of the page. You'll notice a navigation menu there with several options. Click on the Jobs tab to access the job search section. This is where you'll be able to explore thousands of job listings from companies across various industries. Now, at the top of the screen, you'll see a search bar. Click on it and enter the specific job title or position you're looking for. This allows Glassdoor to filter through its extensive database and show you only the most relevant opportunities that match your career interests. Right beside the job title field, you'll see another input box. Here, enter the city, state, or zip code where you want to work. This location filter is essential because it ensures you only see jobs that are geographically suitable for you, saving you time from browsing through irrelevant listings. Next, you'll notice a drop-down menu for company rating. Click on it to select your preferred rating range. This feature is particularly useful because it helps you target companies with positive employee reviews and strong workplace cultures, which can significantly impact your job satisfaction. Right beside that, click the drop-down menu for date posted. This option allows you to see the most recent job openings, ensuring you're applying to positions that are actively being recruited for and haven't been filled yet. Moving along, you'll see another drop-down menu for salary range. Click on it, then adjust the salary by entering a number that matches your expectations. Once you've set your desired salary, click the Apply button. This filter helps you focus on opportunities that meet your financial requirements, making your job search more efficient. Now, on the left side of your screen, you'll see a list of all the available jobs that match your search criteria. This is your curated list of potential opportunities based on all the filters you've just applied. If any of these listings catch your eye, go ahead and click on them to explore more details. When you click on a job, you'll be able to see the complete job description, salary information when available, company reviews from current and former employees, and benefits packages. This comprehensive information helps you make informed decisions about which positions are truly worth applying for. And that's it. You've now learned how to effectively search for jobs on Glassdoor using all the available filters and features. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.